When you think of the Mediterranean, what comes to mind? The sparkling blue sea, sun-drenched villages, or maybe the smell of fresh bread and ripe tomatoes? But if you listen a little closer, you'll catch something else in the air. The rich, fragrant scent of herbs and spices that define Mediterranean cuisine. From the hills of southern France to the coasts of Lebanon, herbs and spices are the heartbeat of every Mediterranean kitchen. These ingredients do more than season food. They tell stories of ancient trade routes, family traditions, and a deep-rooted connection to the land. Let's begin with oregano, often called the pizza herb. But it's far more than a topping. In Greek and Italian cooking, oregano is earthy, pungent, and bold, used to flavor grilled meats, tomato sauces, and olive oil dips.